Ever dreamed of experiencing the vibrant culture and beautiful landscapes of Argentina without breaking the bank? The first step to living this dream is finding the right place to stay. Instead of splurging on expensive hotels, consider budget-friendly accommodations like hostels and guest houses. These places not only offer a comfortable stay, but also provide a platform to connect with locals and other travelers. Imagine sharing stories over a cup of mate, or discovering hidden gems from locals who know the city like the back of their hands. These budget accommodations are often located in the heart of cities or towns, putting you right in the middle of all the action. You'll get to experience the authentic Argentinian lifestyle, from the bustling morning markets to the lively night scenes. Choosing budget accommodations not only saves you money, but also opens doors to unique experiences and friendships. So, are you ready to embrace budget accommodation in Argentina? Are you a food lover on a budget? Argentina's local markets and street vendors have got you covered. As you wander through the bustling streets of Argentina, the mouth-watering aroma of freshly cooked food fills the air, promising a culinary adventure like no other. First stop, empanadas. These delightful pastries, filled with a variety of ingredients like beef, chicken, or cheese, are a staple in Argentina. Each region has its own unique spin, making it a joy to taste the differences as you travel. Next, sink your teeth into a choripan, a popular street food classic. This simple yet satisfying sandwich consists of chorizo sausage slathered in chimichurri sauce and tucked into a crusty roll. And how could we forget the asado? This traditional barbecue is a social event in itself, where friends and family gather around the grill to feast on succulent cuts of meat. Your taste buds and wallet will thank you for indulging in Argentina's delightful street food. Transportation can be a major expense while traveling, but not in Argentina if you know the right ways. Public buses and subways are not only cost-effective, but also a great way to live the local life. They're reliable, cover extensive areas, and are a fraction of the cost of taxis. You'll find yourself among friendly locals, discovering routes and neighborhoods you might have otherwise missed. And here's a bonus tip for the adventurous souls. Why not explore the city on foot? Walking is free, environmentally friendly, and gives you a closer look at the vibrant local culture. Stroll down the bustling streets, stop by a lively cafe, or take an impromptu detour to a charming barrio. You're not just saving money, you're collecting unforgettable moments. Traveling like a local not only saves you money, but also offers a richer and more immersive experience. Remember, in Argentina, the journey is just as important as the destination. Who says you need to spend big to have fun in Argentina? Let's debunk that myth right here, right now. Argentina is brimming with free and affordable activities that would keep even the most seasoned traveler entertained. Take a stroll through one of the many picturesque parks, like the Parque 3 de Febrero in Buenos Aires, where you can bask in the beauty of its rose gardens and lakes without spending a penny. Or immerse yourself in Argentina's rich history by visiting museums that often have free admission days. Don't overlook the street performances either. From tango dancers twirling on the cobblestone streets of San Telmo, to musicians strumming guitars in Plaza Dorrego, the streets of Argentina are a stage waiting to be discovered. It's all about embracing the local culture and making the most of these hidden gems. Remember, the best things in life are free, or at least they can be cheap in Argentina. Happy budget traveling!